What up, everybody? My name is JT, and I am back with another video. So, today is an awesome day. You guys really liked Project Black Widow, which was the black build that was NZXT and MSI themed. Or no, it was NZXT and Asus themed, right? So this one's going to be Corsair and Asus. I'm just a big fan of Asus. Asus, I love you. Asus, why don't you sponsor me?
Asus, where's my sponsorship?
Anyways, I'm a big fan of Asus, so we got the Asus Strix and a bunch of other awesome parts. I'll go through them all right now.
Okay guys, so first we have the motherboard, which is the Asus Z170. It's a beautiful motherboard, guys. And then for the RAM, we have the G-Skill. We have the 2-pack, each one's 32 gigabytes with 3200 hertz. So we have 4 sticks, so together we have 64 gigabytes. Then we have the cooler, which is the H100i GTX. Following that, we have the EVGA Supernova 750 watts power supply. Then for the graphics card, we have a beast, which is the Asus GTX 1080 Strix. Beautiful card as well, guys. I can't wait for you to see it. Okay, guys, and for the core processor, we have the 6700K i7. And to wrap it all up, we have the Samsung 850 EVO 1TB SSD.
So yeah, that's all the parts. If you guys want more information, be sure to check down in the description. Now, before we get into building, I want to get a little personal with this. So this build is for not just a client, but a very good friend, Caleb Paper Tape. He does Caleb Paper Tape illustrations up on Facebook. There's a link down below, but be sure to check that out. He's a very talented artist, and this is his new system that he's going to be doing illustrations with. And he actually was my instructor for multimedia class, which I didn't even need that class. I just wanted to take it just to brush up on a few things and to make better thumbnails and stuff like that, and just be more versatile and just have fun. I'm so glad that I've taken that class. That class was amazing, very awesome teacher, and seriously, check out his page, check out his artwork. I'm going to help him with some networking very soon. Probably start up an Instagram for him, so we'll see about that, but please check him out. Here's some art. Like you guys can see, this guy is clearly talented and an amazing artist. All of his work is badass. He even makes t-shirts. Yes, on I believe it's Teespring. He'll advertise them every now and then on his page. So be sure to check that out, guys. And I think that's everything. So be sure, if you're new, subscribe. That'd be nice. Also, leave a like or a thumbs down and let me know why you liked it or why you disliked it. Anyways, enough of the chit chat. Let's get to building this, guys.
Okay guys, so I just finished the computer. I finished all the testing and all the cool shots that I just did and showed for you guys. I want to talk a little bit about the build so that you understand and why I did the things the way I did. First off, I want to talk about the cable management. Normally I include the cable plugins in the time lapse. I didn't this time because I did it very sloppy first time around, so I want to make sure all the parts work. I had the parts for about a month plus, and that was like the distance between the two. So I didn't want to show you guys a sloppy job, make it work, and then put it all together on my own and show you guys this, and you're like, well, how do you do that? Pretty much from the previous videos I've made, you can see how I have done the cable management, how I have included everything into managing the cables. So I believe that it's kind of redundant to show you that kind of part, especially when I did sloppy the first time and I'm going to have to redo that. So I figured you guys already know, you guys probably seen it on my channel. If you haven't, you can see through the other videos. I have now created a playlist, so if you guys want to use that as references, they're down below in the home page. I think they're going to be on like the far bottom side, so be sure to check that out if you guys want more references in case you are building your own computer. Another thing, I didn't use any custom sleeving because this is just a standard build. Anyone could go out and buy these parts and have the set price. Now if you guys want to look at the prices, I believe I said it earlier in the video, be sure to check on the PC part picker link down below. Everything is absolutely there. There's nothing that you can find. There's nothing that you can't find on that list. This is an expensive computer. This is obviously for the high-end gamer or the high-end video editor and stuff like that. This is a very high-end computer. The reason why we went with 32 gigabytes of RAM or 32 millihertz of what is it? I think it's 64 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM is because Photoshop is the primary use of this computer, so I want to make sure that there's enough utilization to last for a very long time. In normal circumstances, you definitely do not need this much RAM. Also, for the graphics card, we went with the new GTX 1080. We originally got the 780 Ti, or I mean, the 980 Ti, and this came out like right away. It was really hard to get this going, and that's the reason why it took so long to get this build put together. It took over a month, simply because we had to wait for that 1080. I think you guys are very well knowledgeable about how hard it is to get your hands on these, especially with the stock. It's a pain, guys. It's a real big pain. This build was insanely simple. It booted right away. I use flash drive boot in case you wonder, and or boot flash or whatever. It's flash booted. I don't know what it's called anymore. I use a flash drive to boot the system, and it worked right away. I had no issues. And for you guys to understand that this is like a big deal for this computer, this is like my dream PC. I did not want to give this to Caleb. I wanted to keep it, but I can't. Asus, please sponsor me. Really wish I could get a sponsor. I honestly can't. So Asus is like the #1 choice for me. This is without a doubt my dream PC. Like that reference card, the Strix, is just amazing to look at. It's amazing to work with. It stays at reasonable temperatures. I was running Doom 4 at 200 frames. 200 frames on a 1080p monitor. That's insane. This system is meant to be future-proofed for my friend slash client, and I hope Caleb really likes this computer. I hope you can use it for a very long time. Also, like I said before, and I'm going to say again, please check out his stuff, guys. He does amazing artwork. I think you guys are absolutely going to love it. It seriously is really awesome work. Please check him out. He is a nice guy. He deserves all the respect in the world. Please check him out. But yeah, so that's pretty much the end of the video. All the specs are, like I said, down below. And if you guys have any other questions, be sure to let me know down in the comments down below. Down there. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Also, leave a like if you like it. If you dislike it, let me know. And also in the comments, if you dislike it, please let me know why you dislike it. There's nothing more frustrating in this world than someone disliking a video and not saying why. I need to know. I want to make this content better for you guys. I want to do this more. I love this, guys. It's so much fun. Anyways, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace, guys. Yes. Yes. Oh my god. I can't believe you're doing this. Oh my god.
And this cement right here, it says Collecting Warrior and it has measurements. I think I know what it is. I'm pulling out the skateboard right now, but I have no idea. I can hear it like rolling.